I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot.
Alright fans, today is a new wide body day. My friend Ashley got the new wide body kit for his Charger, and we're going to do the install on it today. So we're going to just kind of videography the whole process as we go through and let you come along for the ride. Oh yeah, here we go. All right, this company's kit, this is a Vicrez, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. My friend had them professionally painted. They're good to go and ready to go on the car. First thing is putting the adhesive strips on the backs of the clips. These clips actually get mounted onto the car, and then you mount the fenders onto the clips. Very easy process. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're starting on the driver's side rear. Basically, this inner side is where the 3M tape is going to go. So basically, when you line it up, you're looking at the outer part with the trench for the clips to go into. More to follow. All right, here's the driver's side rear. First part we're going to start with. So we're going to start with the door. We're going to mount the bracket to the door and then mount the flare onto the bracket and then go from there. All the way flush up on the edge of it. So the other part of the process is putting the 3M on the back of the actual fender flare. That gives you your top seal where it actually mounts up to the edge of the car at the top. Yeah. They all snap in?
Yeah.
Alright, so all the pieces are snapped in. And then we just firmly push down on the outside where the 3M is located to secure the seating. Alright, we got the first fender done. And I will tell you that that marker light was a pain. The way we ended up having to do it was push it off almost all the way in and then reconnect the connector on the back of it and then screw it in and then finish putting the flare actually flush on the fender. So we got this one buttoned up. We actually did take this one off and reapply it because the seam here did not match up. So the good thing about using 3M is you can pull it back off, reapply it, and reset it. So far, fender 1 done. All right, we got it all on. We're doing a test fit with the wheel. This is with an 1.5 inch spacer on a 20 by 11. Boom, man, that's perfect. All right, we just finished up the driver's side front. This one a little bit smoother now that we got the process down. All I'll say is make sure you have enough 3M tape, because if you mess up a strip, you may not have enough to complete the project on the first go. But We're throwing the spacer on and getting ready to put the wheel back on it. All right. Third one is done. Again, those side markers are a pain. We're getting more proficient at it. And we're noticing as we go, sometimes the fitment is a little bit, like the adhesive doesn't want to stick. So we're gonna have to reinforce it, but we're on the last one now. All right, last fender is going on. Overall, this is a fairly simple install process, but one thing we did learn, or not learn, but experienced, is in these corners, a lot of times the fitment, like, it doesn't want to quite, you know, pull in. So we had to put some extra adhesive in places, but overall, I think the kit's pretty straightforward. We're pretty happy with it.